morning everyone. Myself Sangeeta Chaudhary. I'm student of MSc Agriculture, Sri Shyaam Vihar University. So today we are presenting our project on vertical farming with drip irrigation. So we are started with the terms of vertical farming and drip irrigation. First we are using the term vertical farming. What is vertical farming? Vertical farming is growing crops by staking the plants above each other and by staking the crops on each other in the vertical way. So in the vertical farming we can contaminate the space and the land. We can minimize the land and maximize our yield production of crops. Hereby we can grow the fruits and vegetables in vertical way and the cereals in horizontal way. So by this we can minimize our land, because India is a populated country. We have predicted, the international organizations are predicted that by 2050 our population will increase by 1.64 billion. So it will be a challenging for us to feed the population. This will be a challenging forms to us by feed this much people by 2050. So we have to minimize the space and maximize the yield by laser the industrialization, urbanization. Otherwise we have to grow crops in factories rather than the field. So due to industrialization and urbanization, the crops land is minimizes, and we have to grow crops in vertical farming, so that hereby we have to grow crops in vertical way. We are using the drip irrigation. So drip irrigation is a term that we have to use. Drip irrigation is that we have to give water to roots by drop, so the roots can absorb the water from roots only. In this method, in this vertical farming method, we can use fertigation. Fertigation means fertilizer plus irrigation. So we can minimize the chemical use. We can minimize the chemicals, pesticides, herbicides. So we can grow chemical-free crops. Hereby we can grow chemical-free crops. So the population will be healthy, and the crops will be healthy, and we can't be malnourished, and we get more nutritious product by vertical farming. And the drip irrigation, why we use drip irrigation? Because it saves water, it is more high efficient, it maximize the water absorption, and it gives more yield, because there were no wastage of water. There's nothing to waste. Like we can't waste the 0% of water wastage in drip irrigation. Hereby the advantages of vertical farming is high efficiency, zero wastage of water, more spacious land. There's no cost of transportation, and maximize yield, less resources, and it saves soil also. We can grow soil less crops also. So we can minimize the soil, water, the scarcity of water, and everything. So these are some benefits of vertical farming and drip irrigation. So in the conclusion of vertical farming, there are some following points we can conclude: that it saves water, it saves land, and the scarcity of water in India is maximum. So we can save the water, and we can maximize the yield production from the vertical farming. Thank you.